What is up, guys? NL-libra-Blader here, and today I have a special guest, and that is
TL14, aka TL14.
Yep. So today we're doing an unboxing of the ultimate Beyblade Ultra-Gen BumpKing Hasbro. 10 years old. I got it from Turbo Libra 14. Thank you so much. And yeah.
Yeah, it's from 2003, as you can see, right on the bottom. Focus, yeah.
Okay. So, shall we open it?
Yep.
Take a look inside. Sniff it, sniff it! Okay, so here you can see the launcher.
And it's a dark green, but on the camera it looks more like a bright green.
And yeah, we have this. So yeah, the poster and two
Oh yeah, that's awesome, the sticker.
and two
Oh, and there's
stickers.
Tyson. That's
And
Tyson.
the bay itself. Yeah.
Except for an nemesis.
Okay, so here are the instructions. We don't need that, I think. Or yeah, I think I'm stupid enough. And here's a card. Save €3. No, I won't. And let's take a look to the poster.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Wow, looks pretty awesome. Pretty big poster. Wow.
You need to focus.
Focus. Oh yeah, here we go. Pretty awesome.
I think I will
Wow.
use this side for the poster.
Yeah, it will look great.
Wait, where's BumpKing?
BumpKing is
Yeah, over here.
Oh, BumpKing, focus. Whoa. Wow.
Okay, there's BumpKing.
Awesome.
Okay, so we will put that also on the side.
And now
We take a look to the stickers.
these are the bit beasts. We have BumpKing. Focus. That's much better. BumpKing.
BumpKing.
And the other one, I don't know the name. And if you don't, and if you know the name, please put a comment in the comment section below.
Yep. Yeah, it is. Doesn't say here, so. Okay, so. Yeah, we have here two faces.
Yeah, these things are called bit chips.
Bit chips. We have two bit chips.
And after you opened it, there's always a bit of this thing on there.
Yeah, we also have this. I don't know what this is called.
Yeah, that's the part of the blade base. Yeah, so you have to cut this thing off with a knife.
I really don't know what the parts are called. Do we need this?
Nope. It was supposed to be for that thing to fit in. Careful.
Okay.
That's the attack ring.
And metal ring. And bottom. It looks really.
That's my favorite bottom from the old school series, except for the reverse bottom and the from the reverse spin gear thing from Transfer G and the graffiti thing from just the graffiti.
Okay, sorry guys.
And it's the Zimmer flat. It's the old school Zimmer flat bottom.
So yeah, guys, I'm pretty stupid, so I need an instruction manual, and I need. Where's the tool?
There are no tools.
Oh. But you need to put a screwdriver.
Yep, you need a screwdriver.
Ah, darn it. Then we need to put a screwdriver in.
It's a screwdriver.
It is a pretty damaged screwdriver, this. So, as you can see, it's a weird screwdriver. So
yeah, it's pretty worn out.
So yeah, the thingy is drive in.
Drive in McDonald's. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now we put the stickers on. Here we do the one of BumpKing, and here we do the other one just for fun.
Yep, and you can always switch between these two. If you don't like BumpKing, you don't like BumpKing.
I like BumpKing.
Okay, you will keep BumpKing. BumpKing is awesome.
Okay, focus.
Focus.
So this is BumpKing, and I have also a launcher grip for this. Okay. Wait, let me get my launcher grip.
That stuff.
Where's
Launcher grip? I think somewhere.
not here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we found the launcher grip, and it's awesome. Just put this book aside, and
So here is an official launcher grip. It is all green
yeah,
and blue.
green and blue and orange. And
So yeah. 3, 2, 1, let us rip. Oh, really cool. I like the semi-flat effect.
it's pretty awesome.
Yeah. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like the video, put it in your favorites, and I am out. Catch ya later!
Bye.